Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Profit Hero, which launched on the 3rd of August at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new affiliate marketing product for newbie affiliate marketers by Spencer Broom. And it shows you how you can unleash your super profit powers, become a profit hero, and finally get the results you deserve. So if you've been struggling at all to succeed in affiliate marketing, or perhaps you're absolutely brand new to it, or perhaps you're an intermediate marketer that's just sort of hit a bit of a brick wall, that you haven't really been getting the results that you expected to get, and you want to push the reset button, then in all of those scenarios, this is a product that is probably for you. So if that sounds like it's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Profit Hero from the link immediately underneath this review video. I've put 5 custom bonuses together, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And as usual, folks, I really don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Profit Hero, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are just a little bit special compared to everyone else's. So what exactly is Profit Hero? Well, if you're starting to think that you might never make a penny online, then become a hero and save the day. Unleash your super profit powers, become a profit hero, and finally get the results you deserve. I'll also be taking you inside the members area at Profit Hero. There we are. And there's also some great bonuses. If you missed a product that was out recently called Instant Affiliate Machine, that was also by Spencer, well, there's a chance to get that thrown in with this product here, folks. And not only that, you'll also be able to pick up the upsell from that particular product called Traffic Monster, all for the same front end price, folks. So this one is a real bargain. As you know, this is the start of August. We're into the summer slowdown period, so people are starting to throw around some crazy offers, and this, folks, is the first of them. So for just $12.97 you can pick this up today. Here's Spencer. Let's have a quick listen.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Profit Hero. Now, I know that you're wanting to really finally see the results that you deserve.
Okay, so there's Spencer. Anyone can become a profit hero, even newbies. You can see success in a flash, get started today and see results. You can finally defeat the evil powers of shiny object syndrome. I know that we've all had that at one time or another. Superpower traffic methods included. Powerhouse Sidekick and other bonuses included for free when you get this right now. It's a really decent vendor's bonus package. In the world of online marketing, there are a lot of bad guys out to get you. Well, we'll come back and see who those bad guys are in just a moment. And as I said, we will also go into the members area. But first, let's just go and have a look at these custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath the review video, you'll come through to here, and this video we're recording will be here. These are the points that we've just gone through about what Profit Hero is all about, and this is the sales video that we just started to have a look at there from Spencer. So my bonuses, firstly, I'm throwing in this affiliate marketing for complete beginners. So if you are a newbie, there's an hour and a half's worth of training here, folks, to get you on the right track with this first bonus. If you're struggling again, well, here's one possible solution. Well, it's 10 solutions, 10 websites that you can earn $100 a day from in 2019. Yeah, work your way through them. You're bound to find several of them that work for you. Maybe all 10 will. If they will, then you'll be making $1,000 a day, won't you? The next one is Bang Bang Profits. This is another version of how to make money using affiliate marketing. Most of these bonuses are geared to getting you finally succeeding in affiliate marketing. This was a standalone course. It's very good. The next one is El Bandito, which is by Brendan Mace, and it's similar to this Profit Hero course, but in a slightly different way. But it also shows you how you can benefit from offers that you can get guaranteed approval for. And finally, a lot of people say to me, it's a question I often get asked, can I make money if I can't afford a laptop or main computer? All I've got is this mobile phone. That's all I can afford right now. Yes, you can. And this great course from Jono Armstrong, who's one of my mentors, the top super affiliate on Warrior Plus right now, he will show you in this easy to follow course how you can make $100 a day using just a smartphone. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, folks. It's already a cheap front end, and there are already some great vendors bonuses, but I hope you can see that I'm adding a lot of additional value there. So let's find out who these super villains are that we need a superhero for. The evil Count Guru, he's just plain evil. The terrible thing about evil Count Guru is that he pretends to be your friend, but he's not. He wants your money, and he'll tell you anything you want to hear to separate you from your cold hard cash. He tells you he's got a brand new money making method for you, but in reality it's usually some rehash method you've seen before with a new spin on it. We all know this character, folks, I'm sure. Shiny Object Syndrome, aka Dr. SOS. This bad dude often teams up with Count Guru to confuse you and keep you spending money on new methods. Just when you're starting to focus and get some results, he pops up and shows you a better way to make money online. Only it's a big distraction. His objective is to keep you distracted, confused, and looking at new methods, so you just keep spending your money. Between these guys, it's no wonder that you're struggling to make money online. Again, another character who I'm sure you will have all seen. And this one is one of the worst, Captain Complicated. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or stuck trying to get a new money-making method set up, it's probably because Captain Complicated showed up to ruin the day. He loves to take simple tasks and make them way more complicated than they should be. Some people claim that Captain Complicated is working with Count Guru and Dr. SOS, and it's almost impossible to succeed online. And finally, I think he's Professor Procrastination. This insidious little beast seems easy to defeat, but he's the worst of them all. He's a huge liar and will often tell you things like, why do it today when you can do it tomorrow? Wouldn't it be nice to take a nap? You've already worked 15 minutes today. You deserve a break. Tomorrow will be the day you finally make money online. So I think we've all seen all 4 of these characters, folks. Captain Complicated, I have to say, is probably the worst one of these from my point of view. I often open up products and they just look, you all know my lack of tech skills. I look at them, and if they're really difficult to set up or they're going to take me a bit of work, I can't be bothered with this. I'll come back to it later. And then, of course, I never do. So it's one thing that you have to hand to Spencer. He has certainly spotted all of these characters. So one day, a wise and highly successful online marketer showed Spencer how these bad guys can be defeated. So let's head off into the main area here. So I just want to go through a couple of things here. Firstly, obviously, this is your where you're going to access your main product. Now, we haven't gone through the upsells yet, but if you have taken any of the upsells, you can access them here. Done for you funnels, done for you autoresponders, and the reseller rights. You can also get a free trial for Digital Hero Academy for just $1, which is Spencer's training program. And then this is access to Traffic Monster, which, as I said, was originally an upsell. It's a course in its own right. It was an upsell with the last product that Spencer sold. So these are the other bonuses. The Lost Code, that was actually one of Brendan and Jono's courses. 0 hours work days, that's another one. Lindgren's Lazy Method, that is another one of, no, in fact, that's Jonas Lindgren, a Swedish marketer. And then you've got Instant Affiliate Machine, which was the last course that Spencer actually launched. So let's click on that. As you can see, you've got that complete course included with this. You've also got, as I said, this is the Traffic Monster course. So that was the upsell that came with that last course. And again, these are all included with this. So this is like really good stuff, folks. And you've also got modern affiliate marketing. So that is another course. Again, you just register an account there, folks, and you can get set up with that. So let's head off to the main training for Profit Hero. So the first thing you should do is join the Facebook group, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and register for the free webinar training that Spencer is offering. So make sure that you do all of those 3 tasks. Watch the short intro. This isn't the overview.
Welcome and congratulations for picking up Profit Hero.
Okay, and then we move into the main training here. So this is the actual overview, which is about 10 minutes long. And then what we're essentially going to be focusing on in this course, folks, is probably different to the way that most people teach affiliate marketing, including myself, is that we tell people to go over to Muncheye and find new products to launch. Now, that does come with a lot of pitfalls because it actually is very difficult to get approved for new offers that are just launching. And I teach methods that you can overcome that. But the fact is that however persistent you are, you probably will only get approved for a small number of those offers, maybe 30 or 40% of them if you're lucky, if you're a brand new affiliate marketer. Now, this method actually concentrates on using offers in a particular way that have already launched. Yeah, so these are offers that have launched not a long time ago, but a reasonable amount of time ago. Now, that means that it's actually easy to get approval for these offers, and they're chosen in a particular way that they're products that you like and that they're products that are converting very well. Spencer is going to tell you through all of this exactly how to choose these offers. In fact, the very next course is on finding the offer and getting approved to promote the offer. Yeah, so this will be dead easy using this method. And you will actually find it using this method and using these offers, you will get, if you're brand new, you are going to find this a much more worthwhile and lucrative method of getting results from affiliate offers than you would have done from trying to compete with the big boys on major launches as a new affiliate. Yeah, that is just going to be a really tough gig. Yeah. So we're going to be creating squeeze pages, again, all of the tools, everything you need to be able to do that is going to be here. We're going to be creating bridge pages, which is something that goes in between the squeeze page and the actual main sales page for the offer. Again, if any of these terms you don't understand them fully, don't worry, because everything is included in this training. Yeah. Then you've got your money sequence, and then you've got your something called push magic, and then we're going to be talking about feeding the funnel, tracking everything, sales redirection, and then there's a few other bits and pieces that Spencer goes into in detail here, which are sort of semi-optional items at the end. And obviously you can go over everything. The way that Spencer actually teaches this course and encourages you to do is to do one bit of training at a time and then actually straight away go and implement it. So this is like the way to overcome Professor Procrastination. He's not telling you just sit on this and wait until you've completed the whole course before you start putting things into action. He tells you to do like just one little bit, one module, and then go off and actually do all of that. Yeah. So once we've finished finding the offer, you're actually going to go out and find those offers and get approved for them. And once we move on to squeeze pages, you're actually going to go and get and build those squeeze pages, and do all of the other tasks connected with the squeeze page. You're not just going to sit on it until you finish the course. So that is the essence of what this is all about. So let's head back here. So as I said, Spencer says that this wise character showed him how to vanquish Professor Procrastination by plugging into an easy method for online success that includes a little known way to get top converting traffic. He taught me how to eliminate Captain Complicated by giving step-by-step newbie friendly steps. Hope I've demonstrated that they are all there with this. How to crush the Count Guru by tapping into a brand new method. Again, we're using a new method of affiliate marketing. We're not using the traditional model. And with this, he was able to send Dr. SOS back to where he came from, because this method will work for anyone that follows the simple steps. And he will teach you everything so that instead of getting these typical results, you can get these sort of typical results in your Warrior Plus accounts. So as you've seen, you get video training, you get the Profit Hero done for you template, you get a super sidekick private support group. That's the Facebook success group. Because this method's proven, you can finally stop wasting money on other methods that don't work. Spencer's currently using this method to make money, so there's no theory or guessing. The success he's seen with this method did not come from an email list built from product launches, so this is truly newbie friendly. Everyone that plugs into this method sees results. You don't have to worry about getting stuck in the details, because he's including done for you template that makes it super fast and easy. It's a brand new method. You'll discover a simple method for getting traffic. That's the Traffic Monster. And you can see results fast and scale up to as big as you want. And there's some testimonials that you would expect on a sales page. So $12.97 is the front end price. It comes with a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. And that, folks, is pretty much all there is, other than for us to have a quick look at the upsells before we wrap this up. So the first upsell is done for you funnels. So they are $47. So if you want everything completely done for you, all of these funnels, bridge pages, whatever, all set up, then Spencer will do that for you for $47. If you want a set of done for you emails, everything already written for you, so you don't even have to worry about any of that, then $47 will cover that. If you want resale rights to this product so you can sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profit, then that is $97. And if you want to join Spencer's Digital Hero Academy, his ongoing training, then it's just $1 to join for a trial, and then that will be $27.99 a month recurring after the trial ends. So this is great for newbies, folks. I hope that you will decide to pick it up. If you want all of these extra bonuses, just click on any of these green buttons. That will bring you through to the sales page. Click on add to cart, and then that will bring you into your members area, receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of Profit Hero, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is that, folks. Yeah, really newbie friendly. We like this. We're going to give it 4.5 out of 5 on our Elite Tigers group rating, because it's nice and easy to follow. It doesn't make any stupid claims, and it's dead simple. So that pretty much is that. Thank you very much for taking the time out to listen and watch this review video. Your support's appreciated as usual. If you have enjoyed it, please click the subscribe and like buttons underneath. All that remains is for me to thank you, as I said, and to say that this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Profit Hero.